Hello friend, welcome again. This is Alok. Today we will learn how to record any script using Gatling. In the last section, if you remember, we were talking about the introduction and the installation part. And also we ran some basic script that is generated by the Gatling. Today we will see what is record.sh file that is being used. I have noted down certain steps to perform recording using the Gatling. So for this, let's navigate to the Gatling home folder. If you check, I'm under the bin folder. If you do ls, then you will find gatling.sh and recorder.sh. Let's run recorder.sh. If you run, we'll invoke one window like this. Here, if you can check, this is listening to the port of 8000. This will be the proxy port that I will be using. Let's change it to 8001 and certain parameter that you need to check here. If you want to get the resources, then you have to check this in for HTML resources. Static resources, it will be recording and it will remove the cache around that. Here in the HTTPS mode, there are certain options that is provided. If you are using, the best part will be that you set the certificate, but for now I am going through self-signed certificate. Any HTTPS site should have CA and other server certificate that should be imported in the certificate authority. Let's go via self-signed certificate and start the recorder. Once you start the recorder, this window will appear. The next step is go to the browser setting, advanced system proxy. Here you just select the web proxy port and set the port on which the Gatling recorder were listening. I will set 8001 and close it. The next thing is you have to do certain operations over the browser and check if things are getting recorded. See, the recorder is started. Let's perform some more actions. Let's navigate to some other websites. How about this? Okay. How about CNBC? See, it will be recording. Once it is done, you have to stop and save the script. Let's close the and the recorded script will be available. This is the home folder. If you go here, user file, and this recorded simulation file will be generated. If you open this, you'll see some scripts that is generated via your actions. See here, request name is this. Let's change this request name. This is recording. This is recorded script and save this. Now we have to run this. Remember, the last time we ran gatling.sh. This time again, let's run this gatling.sh script. Let's see what happens. See, this recorded simulation script is capturing in the command line argument. Last time we ran this basic simulation. Let's select 0 basic recorder. enter it. It will run this recorded script. Let's wait for some time. See, this name is request name is setting to this is recorded script. Script completed, and result file will be stored here in the result folder. If you go here, results, then recorded simulation script will be there created. Let's open in the Chrome. See here, the nice report is generated. Our first request, we gave this name. This is recorded script that is appearing in our the report. Thank you.